Hey guys, so today we are doing our second eyebrow to make them twin sisters, or should I say identical eyebrows. So stay tuned and I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Let's get busy now. So for eyebrow, we first start using our spoolie. We try by all means just to brush our brow and just give it a proper shape so that it becomes easier to draw it. And here I'm done. I take my brown eyebrow pencil. I keep on encouraging you guys, please use brown eyebrow pencils. And as I mentioned earlier, we have got a lot of brown shades, so I'm sure you'll get the one that suits you. So we start drawing our eyebrow slowly and gently. Now we go to our upper part. Right, we are done with our outlook. Now we fill in. Sorry. Still looks funny, but you can actually see what's happening. There's quite a change. Then we take our concealer of shade. Guys, keep on using concealers of your shade. And as for beginners, I would not encourage you to be using 2 shades of concealers. Just stick to 1 shade. That's your normal shade. Okay, if you don't know how to pick the correct shade, when you buy your concealer, you can ask the person or the sales lady. They will help you choose the correct shade of your tone. And don't be stingy with this. Go to our upper part. Right. Right, so with the aid of the concealer, now I can see where my eyebrow starts and it ends. I'll still fill in. I just want to drag my tail a little bit down, yeah, maybe here. So I take my concealer brush and drag it down here. Yeah, much better. Then I continue with my filling in. You need to fill in properly because sometimes you leave your eyebrow with patches. So try by all means to make sure that it's covered properly. Right, so for now I use my concealer again. I take my spoolie, the angle brush side now. That's what I start using, just to make sure I remove the excess concealer. So remember last week the trick that I told you that you can use if you struggle a lot to blend out the concealer. First you take your brush, right? You start brushing out all this concealer, or you can blend it in on your eyelid. Like this. Then you go on the upper part here. You start blending it in. Then you take your face powder or setting powder and you just dab your brush a little bit. Then you start dabbing it. Dab, dab, dab. Go on the upper part of the eye. Okay, so now I just want to continue filling in my brow before I start fading the beginning. Okay, so you start. Okay, I still have concealer, but let me just finish my eyebrow, and then I'll continue. So I still need to fill in. As you can see, this eyebrow is way darker than the other brow. Now we continue with fading the beginning of our brow. We fade the beginning of our brow so that they do not look like a box at the beginning. So as you can see, my eyebrows are a bit close together. We need to space them out. You can use concealer, or you can just dab your brush to fade it out. And there you have it, guys. Our eyebrows are done. This is the end of our second video and for our second eyebrow. So I'm pretty sure if you keep on practicing every day, trust me, you will master the techniques of eyebrows. So guys, thank you for tuning in. I just want to say thank you so much for the love and support you're showing on my channel. Keep on liking, keep on subscribing. See you next time. Bye.